Well, hey guys, I'm Stephen Johnson, and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Four Oaks Crafts. And on this channel, I've got a lot of different projects we're working on. I got woodworking projects, got wood turning projects, we got projects for your kitchen, and we got projects for the outdoors. Most of the projects I work on are beginning level, some are advanced, but most of what I do here is pretty easy to do and to follow. Also check out my website, fouroakscrafts.com. Over there I've got just over 70 tutorials that you might want to check out, a wide variety of things there. You can also follow me on Pinterest, on Facebook if you like those areas. And so just come join with me and let's go make something together.